Okay, so today I built this tower out of Legos and I put 4 balls under here. I put some rubber bands, I got 2 books, and I built this Lego tower. And what it does is it does that, and I'm gonna wobble it around until it falls over.
Is it an earthquake?
It's an earthquake.
Oh,
So yeah, this is like what happens on an earthquake because the plates slide around.
well, what's happening? Tell us.
It's not breaking at all. It's not falling over or anything. Get one of my balls back inside there.
It's a pretty strong building.
Yeah.
Whoa. Paul makes a good building.
Yeah.
Well, so what's the story then? What can you tell us about this then? What happened?
Bro, this building is strong then, and it can't fall over. Maybe it could in a real earthquake, but it's pretty secure.
It is.
Well, I hope you liked the video. Bye.
Bye.